Again, this is so much more than just a roll. I do naan bread. I do Syrians to warm them up so they'll split correctly to make sandwiches. Wouldn't you want a warm Syrian bread with a nice finish rather than having to put it in your oven and drying it out? Very simple drop with a Syrian bread, and it goes through and drops out the bottom at about 130 degrees. It's warm, it's cuddly. You fill it with a great filling that you're proud of, and you serve a wonderful sandwich. Some of the other rolls can be going through here are the hot dog rolls, spread and dropped for a nice caramelized finish and a nice flavor. You can use the New England hot dog roll, which is used for lobster roll and all kinds of other things, straight through the same toaster. This is a toaster that's universal. It's not about bread. You can do Texas toast. You can do a number of other things through it. You can do English muffins. You can do a number of things on it. It's not only for toast. Enjoy it.